Round of applause for Akpororo.
Hold on, boss. Thank you. How they come? Thank you, Bros Jimmy. How they come? Good morning. Oh. Day don't break. See, you know, say when they call my name, now some people now don't say, "Oh, more Akpororo." That boy. Since when that boy marry, the boy called the wear suit. Say packaging. So she better tell, I said the boy go normal. Story. My wife no send a madman money at Maria. So now, people they complain say Nigeria they spoil. Nigeria don't scatter. Who tell you say Nigeria they spoil? Nigeria hard. Now shower price they go up. Girls they increase price every day, even when dollar rate high. Like I say tomorrow, not day. Ask one get how much for a night? He said, you mean full night or half? You know, say when you go club this kind of time, when you walk out again, they say, hello baby, how much for a morning? Because now money with it. They guys say, oh, you mean me? Where are you taking me to? I said, no concern you. Now anywhere we're hungry me, as far as I don't pay you, anywhere we're hungry me, I kill you there. It's okay, I do as in, I do. 100. I say 100 naira, 100,000. He say 100,000. Now look up. I say more they go. We started the walk out from the hotel. We passed my 2. Now, as with the near force, only the guy that tell me, say, my brother, I don't come. I don't come. Make I go back, not go kill me. Ah! See, the thing, you know, stress, not there. Nigeria is getting better. We need to just pray for Buhari, nothing we fit do. He must stay there 4 years. First, before we can try. Music not be play. See, my Jack Fasher, we don't hold. How many years? He still put clothes the way they do normally. Even though the belly still be like basket where water they come out from. You know, cause everything in packaging, everything follow. Also, now so we there for church. When one man go tell us, say 3 days we not go brush. Same more church. The theme of the program now operation no brushing. Now so we there like that 3 days. You know the way Nigerians they take the shop suya. Some people they shop suya, they shop onion joint. Mouth they smell. One guy go buy suya. If they put onion, he go say no, I need garlic. He carry garlic joint. The thing they heavy. This guy before the program, he mounts all the smell they come. They can't do 3 days. May you not brush again. The thing joint. The 3rd day we there for church. I stand. I just see person walk up past me. Come stand near me. He take hanky, tie him out. I don't know what he mean. Now the man of God say, hushers, lock the door and give me the key. They lock door, they give man of God key. Man of God say, are you ready? We say yes. The guy will stay near me. He not talk. Yeah. Now breathe, he breathe. As the thing come out, the thing touch me like how we hear earphone. I need to ask and Ben Ovens, you dey drink sucker away juice? Why your mouth they smell like that? The guy said, now so we see him. Now the man of God said, turn to your neighbor and tell your neighbor, God bless you. Now the guy look me, God bless you. I sweat. You don't say get the way your mouth go strong. If you want sleep all night, you don't need mosquito call your red. Now just enter your house do like this. You go see mosquito, they carry load, they go your neighbor house, I don't die. Who be this? He not tell the man of God say, turn to your neighbor and do your neighbor like this. Now the guy give me as he give me I faint. The man of God said, the Lord is working over there. Ushers, bring that brother forward. I need 3 brothers to join me so that we can do together. For this brother to come back to life. For ground there, I just open one eye. I see the same brother will blow me breeze. He walk out the corner. Now let me next time I say, Pastor, I don't well. You go keep me before my time, they blow anything join. And now, people now they say madmen for Nigeria, madmen. I don't know why they say madmen them. Anytime they walk crazy. Now laugh, they the first laugh. I don't know why it be like that. One guy smoke Igbo for cocoa. As he draw the Igbo, The thing enter, may pop the smoke out, he swallow am. The thing just come out for a ear. Wait till you na ta. Only one just there, he climbed. Oh, head knock. He got the bus up like this. Now we ask and say, she the duet album. He said music everywhere. He hear different things. Where we did that, the guy just own 1,000 naira note. 1,000 naira. He they count 1,000 naira note. Another guy went there and said, this money I must see from. Say me what they bus stop and not get transport. Madman own 1,000 naira. Say for yeah. Where madman they count only one you're there. 2 million, 6 million, 8, 4.2 for one note. The guy just collect the note. Take off. He don't run for like 1 hour. He just see person run past and way back. When he look at the madman the house and say, Alpha, you still want to? Because like this, I don't know if they give me strength. Give me my money before we die. You they stay with army, not find their trouble. Because the only army meant for this country. Now go tear you slap. You go get sense. One army slap one guy for cocoa. I take it back. Boy! After the slap, the guy just stand up. He got offense. What I hear from the guy now? I'm a fool. Only one just start to think. Now Coco, they tear one guy slap. After the slap, he price waiting not the see. I take it back, boy. He just walk go home with the second. He said, Madam, give me 2 cups of beans. The woman said, "Na corner." They say, "Na beans that they see. Give me beans. I don't die." Oh Coco, now they tear person slap. After the slap. He laughed before he cried. I said, give back, boy! What do you hear? Now better cry follow. Oh, Coco, now the champion slap. After the slap, the boss will be like bank for a high. I said, give back, boy! He just talk, go work. I go meet one man. Say, young man, can I have my checkbook? That one say for where? He said, this is not GTV bank. Now say the craze. Oh, Coco, bus stop. Will you get out from this place? I beg I work. Come out. God bless you.
Subscribe to the AYTV channel on YouTube and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram at AY Comedian.